Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Animal Mechanicals, we Animal Mechanical can!
Rex Mechana Strong!
Unicorn! Mechana Fly!
Komodo! Mechana Gizmo!
Mouse! Mechana Fast!
Sasquatch, Mechana Stretchy!
Animal Mechanicals, Mechana can we do it? We Animal Mechanical can! We Animal Mechanical can!
Mechana Cricket King Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Great!
Your destination is Mechana Cricket King Island.
Crickets are cool!
Yes, and it's time to choose and crown the new Cricket King.
Question. How do they decide who will be king?
They choose the new king by finding the best jumper. The cricket who can jump the highest, the farthest, and the fastest is the cricket who becomes king.
Fascinating.
Yes, but it won't be easy to choose a king.
Why?
Mechana crickets can be quite lazy. Sometimes they won't jump at all. Your mission is to find a way to get the crickets to jump high, far, and fast so the new king can be chosen and crowned. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Mechana Cricket King Island.
And there are the crickets! They're sleeping!
Island Owl did say Mechana crickets can be quite lazy.
The mighty Sasquatch will wake them up. Yoo-hoo! Crickets, wake up! It's time to crown your new king.
Sasquatch, no! Mechana crickets do not like to be woken up.
You know something, Komodo? Mechana crickets do not like to be woken up.
I knew that.
Well, at least they're not sleeping anymore.
Yes, but they're not jumping either. We need to find a way to get them to jump high, far, and fast so the king can be chosen and crowned.
Let's start with getting them to jump high.
How do we do that?
I wonder what's in here. Cricket snacks. I bet they're yummy. Whoa! Shoo, crickets! My snacks!
Well, the crickets are really jumping now. They want the snacks.
And so does Rex!
Perhaps we can use the snacks to get the crickets to jump high. Hold the snacks up, Rex. Make them jump high.
This is as high as I can hold them, and all the crickets can easily reach the snacks.
And that doesn't help us find the highest jumpers.
We need someone to hold the snacks up even higher so only crickets who can jump really high can reach them.
But who could hold the snacks up high enough?
Someone who could stretch really high could.
Right. Uh-huh. Too bad no one could do that. Wait a minute. I just had an idea. I could stretch and hold the snacks up high.
Why didn't I think of that?
Behold! The mighty Sasquatch! Mechana Stretchy!
Wow! Sasquatch is super stretchy!
Stretchy like a fantastic elastic. Okay, Rex. Give Sasquatch the snacks.
Aw, Rex wants cricket snacks.
We know.
Okay, crickets, let's see who can reach the snacks now. That one jumped high enough. Oh, that one didn't make it. One made it, but one didn't. Got it, and got it.
Only 4 of them jumped high enough to reach the snacks.
They are the highest jumpers, so they get to continue on with the Cricket King contest.
Now we can see which of these 4 crickets can jump really far.
Go on, crickets. Jump as far as you can.
Goodness, Mechana crickets are the laziest creatures I have ever seen.
How are we going to get them to jump far?
Cricket snacks.
Uh-oh. Rex has more cricket snacks.
Shoo, crickets, my snacks.
Perhaps we can use the snacks to get the crickets to jump far.
Hey, how about over the moat? That's far.
Okay, crickets. Who can jump over the moat?
They just used the drawbridge.
Lazy crickets! What if we raise the drawbridge?
Then the crickets might jump across to get the snacks. Let's give it a try.
Great idea. Ah, could you hurry, please?
The mighty Sasquatch will raise the drawbridge. It won't move. It's stuck. The mighty Sasquatch will not raise the drawbridge.
I see the problem. The lever is rusty and hard to pull.
How can we fix a rusty lever?
It's impossible.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. This is a job for Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa. No. My lollipop! Aha! One mighty Mechana oil can to the rescue! Ta-da! That should do it.
Good work, Komodo. Quick, Rex, race across the drawbridge, and we'll raise it before the crickets can jump on it.
Here I come.
Drawbridge going up!
Okay, crickets. Jump and get the snacks.
Only 2 of them could jump across the moat.
That means that the next Cricket King is going to be one of these 2. The one who wins the last challenge.
To see who is the fastest.
How do you find out who's the fastest?
I know. They should have a race.
Okay, crickets, get ready to race. On your marks, get set, go!
Lazy crickets!
Maybe they could race for snacks.
Oh,
yeah.
Not bad.
Oh no! Snacks all gone!
Well, if the crickets won't race, maybe I can be king. Instead of the jumpiest, the new king could be the handsomest. Me! Whoa, crickets! Get away! Why are they going crazy?
I believe they want the crown.
Well, at least we know they want to be king. They're just too lazy to do very much about it.
But not too lazy to chase Sasquatch. Perhaps the crickets could race for the crown.
But I'm not fast enough to keep them away from it.
No, but someone is.
Huh? Oh, me! I'm fast. I'm Mouse. Mechana fast. Come and get me, crickets. Whoever catches me gets the crown.
Woohoo! Go, Mouse, go! She's fast.
Fast like a rocket!
Watch out, Mouse! The crickets are super speedy jumpers.
You're fast, crickets, but I'm Mechana faster.
My goodness, this is quite exciting.
You got me, Mr. Cricket. You're the fastest. And you got the crown.
We did it! We crowned the new Cricket King! Animal Animal Mechanical's mission accomplished! Yeah!
A cricket snack! I didn't see this one. Yum! Shoo, shoo, crickets! My snack!
Rex, maybe you should ask the crickets nicely if you can have a snack.
Mechana, can I please try a cricket snack?
They say you animal mechanical can.
Ugh, yuck! Cricket snacks taste terrible!